Hey guys, it's Matt, welcome to SpeedTutor and welcome to Made with Unity Mondays for the 18th of July 2022, where I feature some of the best games, creations and everything made in Unity. And be sure to check out all the links in the description for all the sales that you can make on the Unity Asset Store and on Humble Bundle. So number one, we've got That Craig's with a prototype FPS that takes place in your old family computer. We've got That Other Fish one when the penguins are laying down the law. Someone_THP MGR has got such a talented looking rectangle. adushdudush, as if anybody's been watching The Boys, he's got a prototype that he's been working on, and look how cool it is. Harry Alasavakis has got a ramen shader, and it's looking absolutely delicious. Hatchery_tweets has got some more water dynamics, and it just looks like too much fun. Underdog has been working on a solo Doom-inspired FPS project in URP. Ravas Sydney has got you crossing the look of a library interior. Thunder Raccoon has got some rope mechanics that are looking to help you out with a few explanations. Tavanbo has been working on some simple seam support for Cubism VR, which you can enable a real tabletop mode. BATTLECORE has been working on a game called BattleCore Robots, which is a fast-paced arena fighter with endless combinations. Blissful Someone has got a Wipeout-inspired game where they've been redoing all of the map area. Mad Streets game has got some more crazy footage. Divine Studios has got more incredible visual effects, gameplay, animations and slashing. OlixOliver has created a train station in Unity with RTX ray tracing. GameCult_PixelBro has updated the nebulae inspired by JWST. UNMISSABLE has got a stroke reveal shader, neon lights, stylized text in the style of Pokemon. Guy called Frank has been sharing a cool little tech demo with the mechanics for the upcoming surreal sandbox game, Faded. Sanu_H has got an educational sandbox game where you learn electronics and programming, and the Kickstarter is live now. Reyko_ has got a pretty satisfying drone controller. XMT_game has got 2 years of work, but have finally released their game on Steam, and here's the look of the trailer. Tiggy002 has got a finalised asset where you can have swarms of birds, fish, and other things to add to your project. Malbot MX has got a combat system for their new game, and they'd appreciate some feedback. So thank you to everybody for coming to watch this video, and do be sure to check out all the links in the description for all the best savings on the Unity Asset Store. Do come and check out my Patreon to get access to over 145 different scripts, assets and projects you cannot find anywhere else. Do come and check out my Unity assets on the Unity Asset Store, along with bonus savings on my website. Big thank you to all my patrons, including Peter Steiner, Raheem Whitaker, Jean Pomye, Manos Beracast, Terence Conrad, Gage Linston, Walter Dunson, Joseph Newman, Rene Leisure, Darren M, Topher Chambers, Ishak Semani, Gary McGee, Christian Sallant, Skya, Benjamin Shankle, HK, Amanda Zatami, Alex Shen, William M, Jiraiya Sensei and Kreshnik Halili.